Hey everybody! Today we're going to learn how to turn off comments on your Instagram posts. First, open the Instagram application and tap directly on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. To turn off comments on an existing post, tap on the specific photo or video from your grid layout. Tap directly on the three dots icon located in the upper right-hand corner right above your post. A pop-up selection menu will appear from the bottom of your interface. Select the option Configuration Rule explicitly labeled Turn Off Commenting. The system framework will instantly hide all existing comments and completely remove the text field so no one can write a response. If you want to block comments before publishing a new post, stop on the final caption creation screen right before you share it. Scroll to the very bottom of the share options and tap directly on Advanced Settings. Locate the configuration toggle explicitly labeled Turn Off Commenting and tap it to turn it on before hitting Share. And that's it. I hope it helps you in your current and future project. Thank you for watching.